Hi, welcome to TBMS Lesson 2. In this lesson, we will try to learn some more understanding of job management. So we'll go into the system by logging. We'll enter default username and password. Okay. As we can see that it's got default job appearing into the system. As we have learned most of the fields in our first lesson, we'll try to look into some more fields here. We know that save, exit, and mark are self-explanatory. Now we're going to look into duplicate, return, and other features. In order to create a duplicate job, all we've got to do is to open a job and click duplicate, and system automatically creates a duplicate job. Say OK. Here we go. It's called same duplicate job created. The reason why people create duplicate job is because they may have a same job done by more than one driver, so that they can change the driver, or there are 2-3 points from in one job which has to be done by a driver, and if there are different prices for those points, you can do that by changing the price for every single entry into the system. Return job is pretty self-explanatory. What it does is automatically replace pickup and destination places on this dialog, and you can put the money in here along with the other details to make it work. As soon as you've filled up the details, said OK, it'll automatically create a return job. Okay. In the first lesson, we learned what these fields do, but we're going to go further into them today by knowing why this is appearing in red. The reason why it's appearing in red because this particular uh, driver hasn't been allocated yet. So you go in here, it says none, you can allocate a driver, it'll automatically show up in the default color. Whereas if payment type has been selected as account, system automatically show that in green color, as you can see, just to differentiate. Similarly, if you wish to sort it by different column, you've got these options. You can simply choose your desired option and then sort the field accordingly. Now we'll go into the job and do some further stuff. We've got this facility. If you've got business edition, which allows you to send SMS, you can simply click on this button and it'll collate the information from the system and display onto this dialog by automatically putting the driver SMS number. You can send this as alert message or a normal SMS message. It's up to you. If you wish to inform customer that driver is waiting outside, then you can do that as well. Here it's got this system in which it's automatically getting the details from your dialog and displaying into this and automatically populating this customer telephone number on this. All you've got to do is to press OK and it'll send the message. Now these messages can be configured from the config area to start with. Now if I just exit this job and go to config area to show you how to do that, you can see here it's pretty simple. For email confirmation message, we've got this message here. It's got some tags like RJTD. These tags are automatically replaced by the live job details. Like R is replaced by job reference, V with vehicle details, and so on. Similarly, you can do this configuration for email thank you message if you're running business edition or enterprise edition, and you can also configure SMS message. Now we'll take an example of SMS message to understand this further. You can see that it says, thank you for your booking. Our driver V, means vehicle, will be at your service 10 minutes before JT, that is time. So if I check this in the live environment, see how it looks like. Look, it's saying thank you for booking. Thank you for your booking. Our driver with Vauxhall Zafira, which has been linked to Chris, will be at your service 10 minutes before 8:40, which is the job time, as you can see. Similarly, you can inform customer by email. It'll automatically put a customer email address here if there is any, and you can thank customer for doing their job as well so that they can come back to you. Again, these are pretty much optional. You don't need them if you're not using them. You can delete a job simply by clicking here and selecting yes, and it'll automatically delete this job. Now this job will disappear from the list as soon as you're going to press F5 or this button, and it's gone. Now if you wish to see all the deleted or completed jobs, you can simply go to the job status section and click on deleted option and press F5 or refresh button. What it'll do, it'll show you all the deleted jobs we've got. Okay. If you wish to undelete this job, you go to the tools and click on reopen or undelete the job, and system will automatically undelete the job. Now if you restore default and come back to the main screen, it's got the job appearing here. Similarly, if you wish to view the jobs which have been taken today only, you can select that and select today's day and refresh it. It'll select today's job. If you wish to see the jobs between a particular date range, you can do that as well by selecting this particular and select the date range. And what it'll do, the system will show the jobs between 1st and 23rd. Similarly, if you wish to see only the account jobs, credit card jobs, cash jobs, you can do that as well. And this system is also equipped to work in such a way that you can have different options selected from different boxes and then click refresh. System will automatically display the information accordingly. Now we'll just try to add some further communication into this particular job and say that client called and requested newspaper. These are optional things, but if you are having this sort of situation in your base, then you can certainly use it. Save the job, and that's it. Job's been updated. This lesson basically only detailed information about the processes and features we have here on job management level. If you have any question on this level, please feel free to email me. Thank you very much for viewing it, and see you in the next lesson.